Alright, let's do a quick video on comments. Lesson objectives: learn the 3 different types of comments in the Java programming language. So this is what you call a single line comments. Now, first off, comments are ignored by the compiler, meaning that we can put whatever we want, and as long as we don't break any rules regarding comments, right, the computer's just going to completely phase over it, because it recognizes that it's not an executable piece of code. Instead, it's just for us. It's documentation for us. So a single line comment is simply two slashes. And then this is a single line comment, or whatever we want to put for our comment. A multi-line comment is simply a slash, an asterisk, whatever we want in between those lines, and then we end it with an asterisk and then a slash. And then the final comment is what you call a JAVADOC comment. And this is mainly used to provide API documentation in HTML. So it's alright, it's basically a rough overview of what the program does. That's what it's normally used for, so that when you're downloading a piece of software, particularly the user knows what is going into the program itself. So it provides that API documentation for not only the user, but future programmers that would probably or potentially want to see your code or utilize your software. So if you don't believe me, then let's go to the compiler and check it out. Alright, so I'm just going to open up the program that we utilized in the last lesson, the variables program. And to make a single line comment, we could be like, alright, we declare a string and then assign a value. Now for a multi-line comment, we could be like, alright, now see, with the multi-line comment, it knows that it needs to find the next instance where there's an asterisk and a slash. That's why that when we first put this, it assumes that anything after that, without finding an instance where there's an asterisk and another slash, is a comment. So as you can see with the JGrasp color coding system, it turned the entire thing orange, therefore showing us that the computer thinks that this is all a comment, but it's not. So we got to make sure that we close it up once we're done, or we could close up right from the get-go and then put our comment. So once we put that ending multi-line symbol, it changes the code for changes the color of our program. And then we could be like, alright, this is a multi-line, and then just the flex, we put that on the next one. And then we could put whatever we want. The computer doesn't really care, because it's not even looking at it. It just cares that, hey, if this got this and this got here, right, I could care less. That's only for us. And then similarly with the JAVADOC comment, you're going to have the same thing, where it actually assumes that anything after that is a comment until you close it off. And then we could be like, oh, that's a question mark. And then we could be like, this program was designed to teach APCSA students how to declare and assign variables. So, assuming that, all my comments were correctly written, we should roughly get the same output that we got the last time we outputted this program or executed this program. And we do.